How to fix Snapchat keeps crashing problem on your Android phone. Firstly, the reason could be because your Snapchat is not updated to the latest version. So head to the Play Store and search in Snapchat. If you see the update button, go ahead and do that. However, if that is not the issue, then you'd want to head to the phone settings. Now scroll down and find apps. Here you'd want to look for Snapchat. Once that you are here, you have to scroll down and under usage, you'll see the option of storage. Go ahead and clear the cache. Once you've done that, go ahead and clear the data too. After that is done, you'd want to force stop Snapchat. After you follow the steps that I just showed you, you should try logging into your Snapchat account. That should now fix the problem. You can now use Snapchat without the app constantly crashing. Hope I was able to help you out. Thank you for watching.